So I was here. So based on our previous understanding, I created a very simple calculator. Okay. So based on this experiment or based on this example, what I understood is if I directly use input, right? Only use input and not use this in front of input. What will happen is it will always give me an string value because the behavior of input is it will give you a string value. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here is I change the behavior of input here. How I change it? The way I use integer here, right? Just using float here. Okay. So because it's a calculator, so at least we need two numbers to calculate something. So I'm just telling to user, enter your first number and then enter your second number. Okay. Just enter it. What will happen is as soon as they will enter it, right? It will convert into float and it will store into num1. Here also it will convert into float, store into num2. So then I create another variable sum, and then I'm using an operator which is called as plus. It's a simple mathematical addition. So what I'm doing here is I'm telling please Python do num1 plus num2, and whatever the result is of this num1 and num1 plus num2, store it in sum variable. Then I did a simple mathematics minus operation. Subtract num1 from num2, store it in difference, similarly multiply, similarly division, and then I'm printing it. I mentioned here it's a sum, it's a difference, it's a product, it's a quotient. Okay, very simple example. And if I run it this, okay, let's say I take first, my number is 50. Okay, so it's showing enter your first number. So it's at this line. This line is executing the first line. It will, so 50 is stored in number now. Okay, then I'm doing, let's say I use, let's say 60. Okay, I'm using enter. Okay, now let's see the result. So sum is 110, difference is minus 10, because I think, yeah, it's because I'm subtracting 50 minus 60, so it's minus 10. The product, the multiplication is this, and the quotient is this. Okay, you understand quotient in the division. If you perform division, right, you have quotient at the top. Okay, the remainder will be at bottom, the quotient will be at top.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.